Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a new profile in Brave browser. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Now, once it's opened, just go ahead over to the top right, click on three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and find more tools. Okay, right here, just hover your mouse onto it. Now go ahead and click on or find add new profile. You can go ahead and open a guest profile right here. If one of your friends or family members wants to use your browser, okay, for a short period of time, you can just open up a guest profile. Okay, so go ahead and click on add a new profile. There you go, and the new profile will appear. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and add in a label or a name. Just for example, for my son. Okay, got to select the color. For example, blue right here, and then just hit on done. And after that, you can now go ahead and close your main profile. And here we have the secondary profile. You can add in as many profiles as you can, okay? So if you want to change your profiles, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on this profile icon, and then go ahead and switch back to personal, okay? You can add right here and open guest profiles as well. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.